Hi, I'm Robbie, and this is my lovely wife, Caroline. We're the Delaney's, and today, on Muddy River Mixology Monday, we're going to show you how to make the perfect Easter cocktail. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail. We're still quarantined at the house, so that's what we're doing this drink today. We just celebrated Easter, so Caroline has a fantastic Easter cocktail recommendation for you guys using, what are we using in this?
Our coconut Carolina rum.
Nice. Alright, Caroline, so let's get started. How are we doing this?
Well, I'm just calling this the Peepa Colada. Beep beep.
Oh, Peepa Colada.
It's a Pina Colada with a little bit extra in there to make it more festive.
Alright.
So let's start off with about 2 cups of ice.
This is going to wake the baby up for sure.
Oh.
Alright, what's next?
Then I'd say do 2 ounces for each of us of
4
coconut
ounces
rum.
total?
Yep, 4 ounces total. And then do 4 ounces of crème de coco, creamy coconut. You can get in a can like this, or they have the squirty bottle too. That makes it a bit easier because it's nice and thick and coconutty. Goes great with your Easter jelly beans.
It's really nice to use a spatula to get this out.
Thinking ahead. That's like the only thing
Nailed it.
did for that.
Okay, what's next?
Then I'm going to do 1 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks. So this has pineapple chunks and 100% pineapple juice in it too. So you get both the chunkiness and the juice.
This is going to be amazing.
Let you try to pour that without spilling.
Pour aggressively.
Oh, nice. Pour aggressively.
My dad always taught us that. Okay, got that.
Then we're going to do 2 ounces of grenadine. So 1 ounce for each of us of grenadine. And this is going to give it a nice
Easter color.
Pretty color to go with our PEEPS. PEEPS.
What's this, more pineapple? Oh.
Yeah, that was the creamy coconut.
Creamy coconut.
Scoop it out beforehand.
What's the jelly beans for, besides being all hopped up on Easter candy?
Yeah. I might sprinkle some on at the end.
Oh,
Make
garnish?
it festive. Yeah.
Alright, so we're ready to hit this with the blender?
Yeah, and we're ready to blend.
It's the best Pina Colada I think I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, let's face that towards the camera.
I can't reach the plug. We'll be right back.
This extension cord is probably older than we are, so.
We have returned with electricity. Jelly bean in my hair.
Mix so hard we lost an egg.
Alright, so that's it. We're going to pour this, right?
Yep, pour it onto these lovely glasses over here. Good luck. To my festive flamingo glasses. Nice and pink. Oh. I'm working in tight quarters here. Oh, it's so pink, I love it. Alright, let's see if we can get these little pieces to stay. What do you think? Float it on top or stick it on the side? Again, didn't prepare well for this, huh? Did you rip it in half? Down she goes. Come on, baby. That is really good from what I tasted on my fingers. And I'm going to sprinkle some jelly beans on top. Is that too much?
Oh, they don't fit. Yeah, I think that's too much.
It'll be a surprise at the bottom.
Or choking hazard. Well, there you have it. There's our Peepa Colada. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The description or recipes in the description below. You can find our products in your local liquor stores. Please support local. It's more important now than ever. And we'll see you when this all ends. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Happy Easter. Cheers.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's so good. Holy, I'm rubbing and my mouth is full of jelly beans. I'm gonna try to talk.
I'm all hopped up on Easter candy world. Hi, I'm Robbie. This
Still
is
looking
Carol.
at you like that.
Stop.
Is this the real one?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Okay.
do it. God.
I think there's stuff growing in my teeth from the amount of jelly beans I've eaten
I
today.
got fuzz in my teeth. Jelly bean number 1,000,010.